Hello children, welcome to the class Junior-K.G. Children, today we are going to learn lesson number 6, Nancy the nurse. Children, can you guess the lady in this picture? She has put on white dress. She has a file in her hand. Yes, correct. She is a nurse. The nurse looks after us when we are sick. She wants to say something, so let's listen it quietly.
I am Nancy. I am visiting Nat.
Children, look at this picture. Here she visits a patient whose name is Nat.
He is sick.
Children, the nurse looks after sick person. Here, Nat is sick, so she takes care of him.
He is feeling sad.
Children, when you fell ill, how do you feel? Yes, you feel sad. As Nat is sick, he feels sad too. What's this, children? Yes, it's a nose. What's the beginning sound of the word nose? So what you are going to write there? Letter N. So write it down. Very good, children. Children, what's this? Can you guess it? Yes, it's a net. Say net. Net. What's the beginning sound of the word net? Yes. Say Correct. So what we should write there? Letter N. Very good. So write it down. Very good, children. Oh, what's this? It's having sharp point. Can you guess it, children? Yes, it's a needle. Say needle. Needle. Children, your mama used to stitch your clothes with this now? Yes, it's a needle. So what's the beginning sound of this? Yes. So what we have to write there? Correct. Letter N. So write it down. Very good. Clap for yourself. Children, do you know counting? Yes, you have learned it. Can you guess which number it is? Yes, it's number 9. Do you know the rhyme? Engine, number 9? Yes, it's number 9. It's number 9. Say 9. Very good. Now, children, can you tell me what's the beginning sound of 9? Correct. So, what we have to write? Correct. So, write it down. Letter N. Correct. Very good, children. Parents, note that high frequency words are also known as sight words. These are those words which come again and again while reading. As we have completed capital as well as small a to z and 2-letter words also, now your child is going to learn reading. For that purpose, you will have to make flashcards of these words and show it to them once in a day. Thank you. Now we are going to learn high frequency words, that is sight words of lesson number 1, Monty the Monkey, page number 4. H-A-S, has. T-H-E, the. P-L-A-Y, play. I-S, is. O-N, on. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. F-L-O-O-R, floor. T-H-E-Y, day. I-N, in. Very good, children. Thank you, children. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.